I've said it time without no time. There is no excuse why an eastern state, an Igbo region, and its surrounding will not invest in their state. There's no excuse. Say our government will not allow us to do this. Government, no. There are very opportunities made present by the law for us to invest back home. And from day one, I've been preaching for Akuluno initiative. Akuluna Malonye Patalia. It's high time we leave Lagos, Abuja, Kano, and go invest in our home. I've been preaching it since last year before election, and I will see repeating it again. We all will agree that one of the major reasons where there's economic instability in Nigeria generally is because of lack of power, lack of electricity supply. Now there's a law made available by the federal government that you can generate your own power and empower your people for steady light supply. So I'm saying, what is Enugu people doing about it? There's a coal in Enugu wasting. Nobody's mining it for a very long time in 90 Mile. Enugu people, why can't you build a power plant to use coal and supply it that will last more than 100 years? There is no excuse. Anambra people, there is a hydropower generating plant in Oji River. Don't give me an excuse. I'm giving you facts and figures. Yes. Not every time you come online and say, Igbo people get money, but Anambra own they different. Stop calling yourself out to Eze. Stop claiming that you are Obi Kubana. You have so many investments in Abuja and Lagos. It's high time you build a legacy. Build Lord. All these Anambra boys. It's high time you build a legacy. For Nnewi and Onitsha to become industrialized onto the world standard because they need power supply. If you are the type that are investing in power, in generator, you are investing in diesel supply, whether Enugu, Anambra, or any of these states, it's high time you take your capital and invest in this company. Become a shareholder. Don't be selfish. See the vision of tomorrow. We need steady light supply. Say your generators, invest in this company. I will keep speaking, I will not keep quiet. This is what I was saying about my data people. They always say, data not the carry last, data not the carry last. Abia has set a record for the South to. It's going to be a shame if Abia be the first to do it and other regions take over from us. Without us, backing it up. There's in our Igbo Unity Conference, a company called Igbo Global Network. They can do the feasibility study for you. Yes, for power generation. That is the truth. You can meet them up. You can contact me, I will link them up. If you know all these rich men in the southeast, Anambra, Enugu, Imo, Ebonyi, even Abia, tag them for me. Even rivers can do the same. Bayelsa can do the same. There's natural gas to supply these things. There's no excuse why Akwa Ibom or Cross River cannot build their own plant. It's high time we develop a place. If other part of Nigeria is giving excuse, say they don't get water, they don't have gas, they don't have this, fine, it's understandable. They can build a solar farm. I know the APC government, when Nigeria start working now, APC government will want to take the glory, but no problem.